Alright, fantastic news. We have ourselves a new VFD. So we can get old mate working again and get some things finished, which would be great. So, Adam was awesome enough to get me a new VFD. It's already pre-wired, so all that has to be done is these 4 connectors done. Other than that, it's good to go. Good to go. My phone case, but my phone's there. That makes a lot of sense. So, I originally thought I was going to have to take the front off, but let's put the front back on. Alright. Oh look! I have fancy green handles now. Who saw that coming? So, got the old handles, so all I gotta do is just... And then when I found my right spot, just... There you go. Beauty. Fantastic. I've also got one on this side for the tooling arm, but that can be easily replaced by the stock ones, well, the former stock ones. Just keeping them in there for now. Alright, we are going to get behind the grinder, and it's a bit of a task because I've put it in a really awkward position. So let's move you to there. You can see my very, not very worn, just worn platen. Alright, this is not going as well as I thought it was going to go. Alright, we are taking the grinder out here. We're going to unplug this. Well, we're going to unplug it and then take the top off and pull the cables out. But there's going to be a quick scene where this is opened. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to take a quick photo of the insides so I know what I'm doing. And then you'll see the rest. Alright, let's get this back cover off. Make sure you kill any spiders, which may or may not be around. Wherever there is steel, there will be spiders. There you go. Alright. There we go. We have our wiring. Hopefully I got that in there. We'll be back in a minute. Now we have our top cover off. Make sure to take a picture so you know where everything is. I've just taken that back screw off. So now after we take a picture of it, I can't reinforce that enough to take a picture of it. We're going to take them all off and put in the new cable. So check back with me in a minute. Alright, back with me again. So we've undone the screw and taken off three nuts and 3 washers and 5 screws. So I've left the neutral screw where it came from, and I have the 4 to screw the top in my pocket. Remember where you put things? So now, just like this collar here at the front, all you have to do is just twist, and you should be able to just slide it all out now. So it is very important when you're attempting to shoot a video on your phone, put it in airplane mode, or every nutcase is going to try to call you apparently. So in that time, I have attached the new VFD, just got it sitting there on the wall briefly. I have unscrewed this gland, pulled the old VFD out, put the new VFD in, and now we have our cables to put in. I've put in our ground. Now I'm going to consult my picture that we took earlier to see what orientation it goes on this far side. So check back with me in a moment. So there we have it. Oh no. We are rewired. We're all tight like a toiger. I've put that on for the meantime. And now we're going to power on the VFD to see if we've got anything going on. Alright, now we're all set up and vaguely set up. We're going to power on the VFD and see if we have anything going on. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Woo! We have stuff. Hey, I have forward and reverse. Alright, let's put some load on it now. Alright, we have our handles on, our new VFD ready, the belt's on, so let's put some load on it. Lovely. Seems to be going nicely. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. New VFD installed. Again, really big thanks to Adam at ARJ Metalwork for hooking it up for me to the point where I only had to do 4 cables. Because having 6 different electricians say that they were going to charge you anywhere above $150 for 4 cables was absolute batshit bananas to me. Well, there we have it. Screw your top on and get back to making knives.